Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this 15-piece knife block by Coquusaid. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife block from Coquusaid and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Coquusaid for sending me this knife block to review. Let's get started. Really quick, let me show you how we get to 15 pieces here. So you got the 6 steak knives here. You got your 6 bigger knives here, which makes it 12. Your scissors, 13. You got your honing rod, 14. The block counts as 15. Let's have a look at these. Let's begin by having a look at the 3.8-inch paring knife to show you around the features of these knives, because they're all basically the same, just different lengths and different sizes. It's a full tang design from the blade side all the way through the handle to the metal end cap, around the bottom and back into the bolster. This gives the knife a lot of strength and, as we're going to see, helps improve its balance. And that's important because some knife companies don't go all the way through the handle. Sometimes they stop here at the bolster, and sometimes they get thinner down toward the ending of the handle. But here, you have a full tang. If you're wondering what these 3 silver circles are, these are metal rivets that run through this black ABS, through the metal tang, then over to the other side, securing the handle together, making it a very solid grip. If you look closely, you can see they've imprinted this ABS with a little bit of wood grain pattern in there to give it a nice antique look. ABS is extremely lightweight, durable, and dishwasher safe. Let's have a look at the shape of the grip. Very subtle contouring here. We have a nice arch here. Curvature down here, meeting at the metal end cap. All right, going to give you a view from on top here. We can see it tapers down here into a knife flat on both sides. Going to tip that sideways so you can see it. And as we're going to see, this is going to help with the balance of the blade when it's sitting on the table. It makes for a very comfortable grip. It doesn't matter if you're pinch gripping like this, hammer grip like this, or if you're going to reverse a grip to peel something. It's a very comfortable, natural feeling grip. Let's have a look up front at this blade. Beautiful satin finish. Your edge angle is going to be about 15 degrees. This is going to be a really good cutter. All right, let's have a look at the spine. Thickness looks like it's going to be about the same as a US nickel. Let's combine all of those features. So the full tang blade, the riveting, the metal end cap, the knife flats, even how they've designed this bolster is all there to keep the knife flats off of the table, making it as hygienic as possible. So you can spin that around. That blade is not touching the table. Here's a different angle to illustrate what I'm talking about. So you got all that weight pushing back down here in the handle and the bolster keeping the knife flats off of the table. And if you're wondering how tall that is, well, those are 3 US quarters. Safe. Now that weight distribution is going to work on all of your smaller knives that you're most likely to place on the table when you're eating. So all of your steak knives, your paring knife, and your utility knife. Steel type being used up front is German, extremely popular for kitchen knives. If you look right here in the knife flats, it'll say 1.4116/X50CRMOV15. It's all the same thing, otherwise known as surgical steel. It's got about 15% chromium. It's going to give you really good corrosion resistance. This is easy to sharpen, easy to maintain, takes a nice edge, and the edge retention is really good. Let's see just how sharp that 4116 steel can be coming right out of the box, starting with the chef knife. Ooh. Yep. Absolutely no resistance. Super sharp. Let's see how sharp the carving knife is out of the box. I gotta flip that over. Just as sharp. Next up, the Suntoku. Ugh, so easy, guys. That is really sharp stuff. Over to the 5-inch utility knife. Oh man, guys, this is so much fun. Flip that over. Sharp. And over to one of my favorite knives, the 3.8-inch paring knife. Slicing is real. Sharp again. Here is a look at your 8-inch bread knife. Thicker spine on this guy, all the way through. Plenty of teeth to help you get through the bread. Your cutting edge is only on one side. Let's cut through some bread. Alright guys, here's what we're going to do next. We're going to take the carving knife, the Santoku, and the chef knife and see if we can carve some steaks out of this. 20 pounds of Fred Flintstone car tipping ribeye. Really quick, let me explain the difficulties that regular knives are going to have through getting something like this, right? We've got about 8 ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you look right in between the ribs, there's this fleshy portion right here, and that's where you want to make your cuts. But if you follow it, you'll see that you're going to run into bones on this side, and that's where you really want something like this, a breaking knife. It's meant to slice, it's very flexible, longer blade. You can get in between the bones on this side, and that's a big difficulty that these knives are going to run into when getting through this meat. Alright, let's start off with the carving knife, and here is what the plan is. We got 4 ribs on this side and 4 ribs on that side. I'm going to try to split this right in the middle here, and I think I can get right in between the cartilage right here. Now, normally, you want to stand up your rib roast and cut down, but because I'm doing this video, I'm going to try to do it cutting down this way. Let's give it a go. There's a clean cut. Alright, the chef knife is up next, and I think I found a fleshy portion right in here. I put a knot, so I'm going to try to hug it right down this line. Let's give it a shot. Yep, that's going to work out really good. That's one nice looking steak. Last up is the Santoku, and I think I see another opening for a steak right up here, and I'm going to try to follow it right down here. Let's give that a shot. Shorter blade, this could be a bunch of fun. Easily done. Another clean cut. Once again, guys, this has been the 15-piece knife block from Coquusaid. If you don't want to take the time and trouble to go around shopping for these individual pieces, this has got every single blade that you're going to need in your kitchen. It's got high-quality steel, comes out of the box razor sharp, and this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife block set from Coquusaid, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.